Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do is Penchick and Satay sticks. You have to just focus on this line. This is sufficient. So you have given an array of element, and you can perform two operation. Select. We can select an index in which pi plus 1 minus pi should be equal to 1. Then we can swap those two elements. Okay. So that's the whole question. This question can be sorted. We have to at the end sort the array, okay, by performing that two operation. So first add, we can see 2 minus 1 would be what, 1. Okay, so we can swap these two elements and it will become what, 1 2 3 4, and it is sorted. But in this we can't do that. Why? Because let's, for example, 4 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so the array will become 4 3 2 1. Okay, so 3 minus 4 is 1. Okay, we can swap them 4 3 4 2 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, so we can swap them 1 2. Now what you can see, 4 is stuck between 4 and 3 and 2. Okay, 3 and 1, it can't go backward. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is what, 3. We can't swap them, but we can do forward, but the result still be nothing. Okay, so it can't be sorted. So let's write the code, guys. The code will be the easiest part. Let's declare a vector array p of length n. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll assign a bool possible. Is it possible? Possible will be assigned as what, true. Okay, then what we are going to do, inside a for loop, and I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I, then what we will do, scene pi. Okay, then what, if abs p minus p at I minus n, no n not, I plus 1 is greater than 1, then what, return, sorry, possible will be what, false. Okay, so yeah, that's sufficient. After it, cout p p possible, yes, else no. Okay, so we are using ternary operator. Let's run the code. I have already tested this code, but still, let's, for example, it is like this. It is the same test case. Okay, there is an issue. cdc Codeforces. Okay, compile. It compiled successfully. Now let's enter 2 4 2 1 3 4, then 4 4 2 3 1. Okay, so yes no is the answer. At the end it should be something like, okay, so that's correct. Yes, first should be yes and second should be no. You can see in the question test cases also, yes no. Okay, so what we are doing over here, like for example, n is equal to 4, array is what, array at 4, it is like 4 2 3, let's do with a simple one, 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so what we are doing over here, this is the main logic which is going on. Okay, we have to focus on that. What we are doing over here, 1 minus 2 minus 1 is what, 1. Okay, 1 is greater than, it is false, so it, the possible will be still be what, true. Okay, then 1 minus 2 is what, 1 is greater than 1, that in which p is still what, false. Okay, true. then 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, okay, is what? 0. 0 is greater than 1, that's false, so possible will be still what? True. Okay, then 3 4 minus 4 is what? 0, so the possible is what? Possible bool value still be true. Okay, so the output will be what? Possible is true, so the output will be yes. Okay, so yeah guys, that's how the code is working coolly. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.